Welcome back to Offside Antics. I usually don't make videos exactly after the game क्योंकि वो थोड़ा रिएक्शनरी हो जाता है थोड़ा यू नीड टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या हुआ टू काम योरसेल्फ डाउन एंड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि वो पॉइंट नहीं था बिकॉज आई फील एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे लाइक आई फेल्ट इन yesterday's match from a guy who has given up on the title race. I feel like it is on. It is genuinely on. Like, genuinely, guys. I feel the same way like I used to feel during the business end of the season. Because City would go on a generational run and clinch the title every single time. जो previous season में हुआ नहीं. Obviously, this is not the team that we used to have, but this is a new era. And I can see the experienced players helping the new generation to settle in. There was a great player called Ruud Gullit who was known to play in multiple positions before my time, way before my time. But surprisingly, he is also in our team. This dude, all City fans know him from previous season ka FA Cup run. He was kind of that player I thought will be like streets won't forget the generational FA Cup run by Nico O'Reilly. Because he was a midfielder. I thought left back, once Guardiola will be fit, he will play as left back. Once Ake is fit, he's going to play as left back. We were buying Ait Nouri. I thought Nico O'Reilly won't start. But Jasse, he has made it his own position. The way he operates as a left back, being a second striker at times, helping in the midfield to help create overload. Kudos to Pep for trusting this youngster and giving him that opportunity, and kudos to Nico O'Reilly for delivering every single time. Let me give you an example. Arsenal wale game mein, we were trying to break down Arsenal. It was Nico O'Reilly who scored the goal, and फिर उसके बाद we gained the momentum. Liverpool wale game mein, it was Nico O'Reilly who got that penalty for us. Erling Haaland scored it, and then it was all momentum for City. Chelsea ke game mein, it was Nico O'Reilly who scored an identical goal from obviously a brilliant pass from Cherki that gave us the momentum to score two more. It is Nico O'Reilly who has become our Gundogan, our new gen Gundogan, giving us those clutch goals at the business end of the season. Chelsea का अगर बात करें तो it is kind of worrying. It is kind of worrying for Chelsea. I think it is time for fans to start protesting कि हो क्या रहा है इस क्लब में. Because obviously defensively they look in shambles. Midfield mein you are benching one of your best players just because of a very normal comment. Second half mein we could feel that Enzo Fernandez agar hota, this would have been kind of a different game altogether. If you remember, Enzo Fernandez was the one who scored the goal against us when they came to Etihad to play against us. I feel like first half Chelsea looked better to me. They had the better chances. Offside goal tha Kukurea ka. But then the brilliant Pep, and no, I'm not talking about Pep Guardiola. I'm talking about Pep Linders, who has given us one of the best pressing structures that have helped us to win games and not concede. The 4-4 bhai. Arsenal ke against we saw it for the first time. There was a similar setup against Liverpool, and Chelsea ke match mein we also saw that. First half mein it didn't really work out in our favor that much. They were nicking the ball on the right hand side through Kukurea. Second half mein I don't think utna changes tha. I think Pep Guardiola literally held them by their collars and said, it is in your hands to win the title race. The team showed up. I think pressing structure mein thoda sa change, and building from the right hand side a little bit more. Cherki being close to Erling, being close to Semenyo, close to the box. Cherki ko zyada ball chahiye to create, because he's the only player who has that creative spark in him. And what a beautiful dink that was for Nico O'Reilly's goal. And what a beautiful pass to Mark Gahey. Beating one, beating two, and finding that unpredictable pass for Mark Gahey. And Mark Gahey, obviously, bhai, what a brilliant finish from Mark Gahey, bhai. Striker's finish. And obviously, Doku and Ryan Cherki nicking the ball of Moises Caicedo, who was considered to be one of the best midfielders. Declan Rice and Moises Caicedo was the debate in the first half of the season, as the best midfielder, nicking the ball from him and scoring the third goal for City. I think finally the title race is on, and now it is on Man City's hands. Abhi it has changed from Arsenal to City. I think Abhi it is fully on City. If City go on to win all the games, we might just win it. And obviously goal difference पे आएगा तो we have to score goals, we have to keep clean sheets, which I'm very happy that last 3 matches में facing Arsenal, Liverpool, Chelsea, we have been able to keep a clean sheet. But obviously we have tricky fixtures. Arsenal have comparatively easier fixtures than us. I think it is going to be a very, very nervy business end to the season. Obviously, as a City fan, I have faith in my team. I think the team is going to do good. I think Pep has finally cracked the code. I think Pep now knows which team to play and how to set his team up. The defense is getting the job done by Khusa. Mark Gehi has been solid for us. Matthews Nunes has been very good for us. Obviously, he has been making mistakes here and there, but he has been very good for us. Nico O'Reilly, I don't want to speak about him. Obviously, everybody knows what he's doing. Erling Haaland, Cherki, Semenyo, Doku has been exceptional. Bernardo Silva and Rodri in the midfield has kept us rock solid and helped us bridge that defense and the attack. I think the title race is on and it is going to be great fun. We might just see Arsenal bottling it, but abhi it's not over. That is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Pasand aaya to like kar do. Share it with your football friends. If you're new, please subscribe because we make football content and we go live, we interact, be a part of the community, and stay tuned for the crazy UCL clash tonight. We'll go live and I hope to see you guys there as well. Take care, bye bye, and